Sanjay, you have taken your VM now?
Okay, I'm creating.
Briti, you create 3 VM, okay? Only I
Okay.
need only VM, okay? By UI method you can do 3 VM of 4 GB RAM, okay?
Okay.
Means 3 resource
I'm
group,
actually in two VMs already.
2 VM you have, na?
Yeah.
Ravish, me also.
No, Sanjay, you create only 1 VM.
Okay.
Should I create another VM, Ravi?
Yeah, you create one more VM. Now you know now how to make the minikube cluster and all, Sanjay?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, search on top, Briti.
Yeah. It is actually 4 GB only. Shall I select this one
Yeah,
only?
yeah,
See, only.
select it.
Okay.
Yeah, Ravi, I'm with VM.
Okay, you have created your VM now. You do one thing, install your Docker and till Docker.
Okay.
Yeah, do it, create it, Briti. No need of.
Yeah, I'm just checking whether it is given correctly or not.
Okay. Yeah, three command you run together, Briti. That first one, update, upgrade, and that Docker one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do first SSH to your brew2. You first install on Docker. Docker you have installed.
I have given that command also strike. I mean, along with the update and upgrade command.
Okay.
Eh, yeah, I have to install Minikube also.
Yeah, no, today not Minikube. You just Minikube you know na? Sanjay, you also know na? Minikube one.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so today we will do the kind cluster. Okay, so just go to the website of kind one. first you visit the Minikube one. You have not seen the Minikube website, no?
Is this one you are speaking about, Ravi?
No, I think it is not official one. Yeah, the first one. Hello Minikube.
This one.
Yeah.
It is in the Kubernetes one.
Scroll down. Okay, that is Kubernetes one. Okay, now search again. The Minikube. Only you search now. Only Minikube. Yeah, that is what you are getting. Minikube cluster. You search like that.
In the same Kubernetes documentation, we are getting that one. This is a separate Minikube one.
Okay, click on that.
I think it is the tutorial. Yeah, this is the one where we have to find different things.
Okay, we find out the installation one. In the click on the second one. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, you got it.
Which one? This one or this one?
Now which one you have clicked?
For the installation one, this one here.
Yeah, here only. Means yeah, installation. You can get it from here. Okay, we have just browse it through the chat GPT. No, you just go through that process also. Like if you have Linux, then you click on that Linux. If you have Windows, then you can click on Windows, and you can have Mac OS, then you can go for Mac OS. Okay.
Yeah.
Now come for the kind one.
Is that a kind of platform or anything?
Kind is one kind of cluster is that K means Kubernetes, IN means in, D means Docker. Kubernetes in Docker means with the help of Docker we are just creating cluster and all.
Okay.
Yeah, scroll
So
down.
this is a kind of Kubernetes cluster.
Yeah, means you in this also you create a container only, but you have one for the cluster, one for the worker node and all. Okay, like that.
Okay.
Okay, first you go through the chat GPT. You just ask how to install kind. Okay, so what are the prerequisites? You should have that Docker one, and you should have that kubectl
kubectl.
one. So you have to first install the Docker, then you have to go for the kubectl. Now go for the kubectl one. You already installed the Docker one.
In VM itself or
Yeah,
in my desktop?
yeah, in VM only. Whatever the VM you have created now, that. copy whole command together. You can run at a time. Not an issue.
Okay.
Yeah, copy it. Yeah, it was not installed correctly. You check it.
Yeah, actually, I have given the lot of commands at a time, right? So it won't take.
Okay, you do one by one then.
Ravi, shall I also install this thing?
kubectl, yeah, you can install that kubectl one. Docker you have done na?
Yeah.
Yeah, install that kubectl one.
Okay.
Yeah, it is not installed. You have you just go to the official website of kubectl one. You try to find out in browser. Yeah, you have now you got it. You have to go through the binary method only. Click on first command. Breath, try to install from the kubectl website, the browser one. You go for kubectl installation for Ubuntu.
Ravin,
Yeah.
what you have did yesterday class?
Yesterday we have seen networking part.
Networking, only networking.
Yeah. You install your kubectl1.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, Briti, what happened?
Uh, I'm just rectifying that one. I'm something like it is not able to install that.
Okay.
It is not accepting the kubectl here.
Sanjay, try to install your Kubernetes kind Kubernetes cluster.
Okay.
Share your screen, Sanjay.
Is my screen is visible?
Yeah. You do one thing.
What?
Okay, okay, okay. Install it. Install it. First, you change your user mode, na? That one user mode one.
What is the command? G.
You do, Sanjay, one thing. You write it that I need a kind cluster. Give me YAML file for that. I need kind cluster. There should be one control plane. Write one control plane and at least two worker node.
And one.
One control plane and two worker node. Yeah.
This one is
Yeah. You
actually in the system. The Cube City installed, but kind is not installed.
Yeah, Ravi, I got kubectl and kind both in my.
Okay, now you same Vritti, you have to create a YAML file for creating any kind cluster and all. Just give a prompt to the ChatGPT that I need a kind cluster in which one is the control plane and the two is the worker node. Okay.
Ravi, what is the command for the user mode -g and
Hyphen ag, small a, capital G,
then
then you have to write
match
dollar user, sorry, docker. First you have to write docker.
docker
Hmm.
docker. It's correct now.
You go by that method, Sanjay. Create one YAML file.
Ravi, in the kind cluster, only one control plane and one working node, right?
Two worker node.
Two worker nodes. Okay.
Yeah. So Sanjay, enter.
Should I
Okay.
give this to the chat?
Denied. Try to contact Docker daemon. Okay. You do first enable your Docker daemon. Docker is not enabled in your system.
Ravi, my Docker is not working actually. It is not opening. I don't know.
Where in your local system or in
Yeah, in my local system.
okay.
I even have tried to run as administrator also, but it is not happening. Now I think I will get.
You have to refresh that file also, na. You write new grp docker, new grp space docker. New grp at together space docker
Yeah.
docker. Yeah. Now you do again that command, kind create cluster, that one.
Ravi, I have to create a file with kind cluster name, right?
Yeah, kind cluster YAML file you have to create. Yeah, save it and come out. Yeah, Brethi, come out, save it.
Yeah, I'm just verifying that. I mean, whether the indentation is correct or not.
Okay.
Should I also give the name for that?
Name, yeah, you can give na any name.
Okay.
That is cluster name. It is asking. Okay.
Yeah, the it's great.
Underscore, it will not be there.
Yeah, it is taking only hyphens.
Now you do Sanjay kubectl get nodes. Kubectl kubectl
Oh, sorry, sorry.
nodes nodes. Why it is creating only one? How many?
What's it again?
Sanjay, you have created through that one, na? I ask
Uh, I,
I ask you to create it through the YAML file.
Java one.
Means you should have one control plane and there is two worker node, but you have created only one control plane.
Okay, okay. I'm not creating by the YAML one.
And now you create it from the YAML one.
Installing CNI. Yeah, Ravi, I got two worker nodes and one control plane.
One control plane,
I
na?
mean,
Okay.
yeah,
Sanjay,
master node.
you got it?
Yes, Ravi, it's creating.
Okay. So in local we have three kind of cluster there. That is minikube kind cluster, and one is more. That is cube ADM. Okay. So at home you have to try for the cube ADM, in which what we need to do, just create it. Use Sanjay. Just do it. That, yeah, you got it.
Sure.
Okay. Now stop sharing your Sanjay screen. And Brethi, you just do it sharing. You have now your screen visible now.
Yeah, I'm just stopping another VM. I have started that. So,
Okay. Now you go to there, Brethi, that cube ADM one.
okay. I have to install that one
No, no,
also.
no, 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 no need of just you at home you do. Okay, Sanjay, you also do at home. Okay, that one
Okay.
cube
Yes,
ADM.
Ravi.
Just I want to visit that site, official site of cube ADM.
In the Kubernetes itself, it is, we are having that one.
Okay, Okay, click on that. Creating a cluster with kubeadmin, the second one. Is there any information is liable? Scroll down. Means what happened here, that you have to a different system for the kubeadmin, like there will be one system separate for the control plane, and the worker node should be the separate system. Okay, like that it happens. It is not that is the installing kubeadmin. In left hand side there is a one no Grati, just go back once. Yeah, one installing, yeah, that one. Click on that. Yeah, scroll down.
No, that's it.
Okay, you just go to ChatGPT and ask that what is the process of installing kubeadm. Understand what I told you, that first you have to create a separate cluster in separate system, and the separate worker node on the separate system, and then you have to give the connection on between that two system. Okay, so first you have to disable the swap one. Okay, then you have to go for the enable the required kernel modules. Okay, scroll down, then again you have to install the docker one. Look, that is the part one. Okay, install kubeadmin, kubelate or kubectl. Okay, in both the system you have to install, like kubectl one. Okay, now the fifth step on the master node means the system you want to make it the master node, you have to initiate that with the sudo kubeadmin init. Okay, means if you have installed if you have run that command init one, so that system will act as a master node. Okay, or control plane. Got na, Grati and Sanjay?
Yeah,
Yes.
that means like we have to take two VMs.
Yeah,
Is
means
that like the two VMs should be present in the same region and availability zone or different?
you tried with the same zone first, then you try with the different zone. Okay,
Ravi, for this one is in subnet now.
subnet.
Yeah, means the IP address is given is a /16. No? This is subnet.
This may be subnet. This is the IP only. Okay,
Okay.
and you have to make them communication with that master node and the worker node.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
let the seventh step, we go for the seventh step. Yeah, join worker nodes. Okay, so you have to give this command to make it connection with the worker node.
Worker node and
Okay.
Okay,
okay.
so you tried home. Okay, it will take half an hour. Okay, and if you'll do it today, so I think whole time will get into that part. If you have any
No.
doubt on that, okay, just ask me tomorrow.
Okay, Ravi.
Okay,
Okay, Ravi.
so now today what you have to do, you have created your time cluster, both of you. I need first you create a deployment file. Okay, and with that you take any you go to Docker Hub. Okay, you create two deployment file. Okay, one for Nginx and one for you search for an image that is bgbox.
Rapid deployment file means HTML file.
No, YAML file only, deployment dot YAML file.
Okay, okay,
Okay, yeah, you have to take that image, okay, bgbox, and you have to make them print some command. Okay, that hello world or hello Briti or hello something like that. You have to make it print. So
Okay.
I need two deployment file. Okay, and there should be without replica, or you do two replica. Okay, for that.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Two deployment files with four replicas completely.
two replica of each in each deployment.
Yeah, the
Okay,
completely total four one.
yeah,
Okay.
total four. Now Sanjay, you just look over the Brethi screen. If you have any doubt, you can
okay.
interrupt, okay, in between. Nginx, you first na Nginx, then you write it separate for the that one.
Okay. Yeah, I got the file.
Yeah, copy it. Make it full screen. That screen, that one, CMD one. Now you can copy it from here.
The syntax, everything is okay. Okay.
Sanjay, any doubt in that YAML file? With command that is hello world or
Is that okay? The prompt?
yeah.
Okay, here it is given the hello world echo command. Okay. Yeah, I'm having two YAML.
Yeah, create it and let explain everything. And
Okay.
I want to means give that curl one, like I want to get in there means
Okay, you want to get into that one.
yeah.
Okay. Can I apply both the files at a time? Ravi? Why I got like it is completed? Decorating container.
Actually, DB box it doesn't do anything. Okay, just it do the command one. Like if you do the print, then one task is completed like that.
Okay.
Sanjay, how to inspect every pod? Just give the command to Brati. Sanjay,
What you said, Ravi?
how to inspect the pod one, DevOps one, or any pod? Okay.
Not the inspector.
First, Brati, Sanjay is giving some command to you. Sanjay, how to inspect our that everything?
Uh, Describe, kubectl describe, and then code. What is whatever the code name, the code name. Yeah.
You are getting Brati that one? Hello one.
Further, I need to enter into that one, right? I'm trying to. Is that? I have to give that image name, right? Oh, sorry. No. SSH. Yesterday I have given SSH mini queue.
Just do not
Ravi,
give prompt there that I want to see that hello one. Okay.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Due to wrong, what is that? Index or something command. I mean script. Dashboard workout. Is that the same thing? Yeah, command is not correct.
Okay, command is not correct. Usually first you do the describe one, and then you give the logs to that.
After giving the kubectl logs with that busybox one, I got a hello world here.
Okay, means it is printed once, na?
Hmm.
Okay. Ask that why it is giving crash back loop. GPT chat GPT.
Here it is set like if it is repeatedly restarted, it gives that error like back of error.
Okay. Means wait. Wait. Scroll down. Okay, you can add one command. Sleep 3600. Okay. Means it will make your pod live for 1 hour like that. Okay, so understand now, Sanjay?
Ravi, shall I have? Can I give that command again, or in this one only I can include?
No, you have to include in that only. If you want to give in separate line, na, there is
Hello.
yeah, you have to give in that only, that command only. And if you want to give in separate line, and there is another method, you can give it with that method also. Okay, in that braces only. Sanjay, any doubt in this deployment file, YAML file?
No, no, okay, but why on that it's showing bank loss?
Yesterday
Ac-
we have seen some error one. Brati, you explained that two errors. Okay.
yeah, actually, yeah, yesterday we got two errors. One is because the what is that script is wrong. I have given in the for in the script.
Not the script is
Wait.
wrong. The version of your image pullback of error is there first.
No, no, no. That one only, Ravi. Instead of I mean version place,
Yeah, version
after
place is
version,
clear.
I mistakenly I have given on dot.
Yeah.
So because of that, whole script got wrong. So I got an error at that time, like image pull back off. Sorry.
Okay, means for
Okay.
the wrong script it will.
Yeah, even one, I mean, unnecessary character, if is involved in the script means we will get this type of
Error.
error.
Sanjay,
Yeah,
there is some types of error in Kubernetes. Okay, so while we are doing the lab, that time what we have went through, the first error was image
pull
pull
back
back
off.
off. Okay, so there are some reasons for that image pull back off. So while you are debugging that problem, you have to check once again that first you have to check that incorrect image name, means whether you have inserted your any incorrect image name or not. Okay, you have to check it once.
Okay.
The version you have to check it whether that version is available in Docker hub or not. Okay, so you have to check that part. Second, there was maybe a internet access issue or network issue.
Yeah,
Okay, and the third one, maybe your that Docker image be in private registry, so that sometime it get the error of image pull back off. And one more reason is Docker hub rate limits. Okay, so whenever you have any IP limits there, that time got this error. Means there are four reasons where you can get the issue of
image pull
image
back
pull back
off
Image
off.
pull
error.
back off. Okay.
Today Breti got that crash
Loop back off.
loop back off,
Crash.
the second type of error in Kubernetes. Okay, while you are playing with Kubernetes now, that time this is the common reason, common the common error. So you have to be prepared for that error. So what is the reason of that? So it comes in your hand uh, only when you are doing more practice. Okay.
Uh, Yesterday I got this second error because in the script, like, sorry, in this script, in the place of command, I mean I didn't mention the command here whole script. Here also I didn't mention the command with I mean how many hours or how many minutes it should be alive. The container should be alive. I didn't give that command. So I have done repeatedly restarting, because I mean that means I have given kubectl get pods command repeatedly, like 2 to 3 times. So if I have given that one means we'll get that this type of error. Now also I got the same error because I didn't mention any kind of command, like how many minutes the container should be alive.
Okay.
Yeah, as you can see, yeah, here in this script it is mentioned like we have to give this command sleep and how many minutes or seconds we want to make the container alive.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
now we will go for the namespace one. Okay, so Briti, you go to the cheat sheet of Kubernetes and let's see how many commands is there for namespace. Search it there, namespace. Again, it came in different language, I think.
Yeah, it is not taking any. Only here it is. I am getting like this.
You are using any VPN and all? Even?
No, no.
No, no, it's okay. Yeah, search it, namespace. Okay, leave it. You search, go to their ChatGPT and ask that namespace command. Yeah, scroll on. Yeah, I think you got it there only. Okay, now you search there kubectl get namespace in Docker one. Scroll down.
Should I make this alive or
No, no, no.
let it there?
You understand now what is the error and why it is giving you error.
Okay.
That is the main part. Kubectl.
Okay. Namespace I had to give completely.
Okay, so what are the namespace available there? Means if you are not giving any namespace, it take the default namespace. Okay, the first one, and the other namespace already available in your Kubernetes, that is the kube node lease, kube public, kube system, local path storage, like that. Okay, now you do one thing. Uh, you give that kubectl get nodes, get scroll down there. Some more command is there. No? Scroll up. You see. Okay. Setting the namespace for request.
To set the namespace for the current request.
Okay. Uh, Scroll down. Scroll down. Okay.
No, that's it.
It's okay. Now go there in ChatGPT and ask that I want to create a new namespace on the name of Nginx, like that. Give me YAML code for that.
Oh, YAML code. Okay.
And what you have to do, whatever you have created now, that deployment file, you have to give you have to delete that deployment file, or you have to change that deployment file in that namespace, whatever you are creating right now.
For the Nginx one.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that okay? The prompt.
Yeah. How is your experience with that perplexity, that one?
Perplexity is very good, Ravi. It
Okay.
is actually giving from which sources we are getting. Like we can also have the videos also.
Okay.
This is a free or subscription?
Yeah, it is actually free for 1 year. For Airtel users, it is free, but you can also use with Geo or BSNL.
For Airtel user it's free.
Yeah, it is free for 1 year, Ravi.
Okay, means pro one, what you are using, pro one, na?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, that is charging I think 2000 rupees, that ChatGPT.
Uh, yeah. But Perplexity, like if we go for the pro version without any free access means, it is only 1,000 or 1,200 something like that. So I have to place this namespace here.
No, no,
Yeah,
no, no,
sorry,
no.
Ravi.
Namespace. We don't want to give namespace. Just you write now. I want to create namespace. For that, I need YAML file.
Yeah, I have given that this prompt. YAML script for creating namespaces with nginx. I
You
got
you
this.
you go for the new chat.
Okay.
That is the reason now that that they won't understand what we are asking for that. You don't write nginx. YAML script for creating namespace. Yeah, that is.
I,
It will it will take. Yeah,
okay.
the first one. Okay. So you can write that namespace. You can create the namespace with the YAML file. Okay.
Okay.
Give the namespace that here it is given the my namespace. Na?
My namespace.
You
Yeah.
have you have to give that
I'll give my name.
nginx your name only.
Okay, nginx. Is that okay, Ravi?
Give small give small name na, not that much name, big name.
Okay.
So you are getting here one thing, Sanjay and Brati. You have to be aware of that kind one what we are using here. We are creating namespace so that we are using namespace. If you are creating pod, we will use pod. If you are creating deployment, we have to use deployment. If you are
Yeah,
using
we have to mention the resource, what type of resource
yeah
we are taking.
yeah save it.
Is that okay?
Yeah. Now take your that file everything in under that namespace deployment file. Getting my point now?
I I didn't get that.
Means now check that your new namespace is created or not. You first create it now. Yeah, create it. TCTL apply one. That underscore it won't take. Underscore it won't take. Change it.
Yeah, Ravi.
Now change your
It
deployment
got
file.
created.
Now change your deployment file with that name. Yeah, there only na you have to write in under metadata only. The namespace equal to that your name. Yeah, here you got my namespace under metadata section. Scroll down, Briti. Yeah, namespace. You have to write that line only.
The namespace name I had to lie.
Yeah, you have to add that line only. Namespace colon and whatever you have given the name space, you have to give that name. Okay, now it is created under that namespace. Okay, now what you have done, you have taken your Docker image. Okay, and you have created a pod, means two pod, with the help of replica and with the help of that deployment one. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to create a service YAML file. Okay, to make it exposed to the publicly or to any user. Yeah, you first you go there, Briti. You just create a YAML file only, that service.yaml vi.
Should I attach the namespace also here
No,
and the image?
no need. You can attach, no. You know, no, where it is attached. So
Yeah, after in the metadata itself.
yeah.
Okay. In my service. Label, okay. The same cluster IP itself I have to
Yeah,
give because I'm on.
yeah,
Okay.
give it. You do one thing. You have to first search that you first do kubectl get their namespace.
Yeah, I got. Okay.
kubectl namespace you do. Yeah, now I want to get into that cube node leads. Then how can we enter into that?
Cube node release. Getting into the service.
No, actually we are seeing na, that is three three six namespaces is there.
Yeah.
So I want to get into some of namespaces named as cube node leads. So how can we get it into that? So you write it kubectl get pods. Yeah, kubectl get pods You do first git pods. You already applied now deployment one.
Yeah, I am giving it.
You delete that all. Delete all that all pod.
Should I also delete that
Yeah,
uh,
every pod. Now
master node? Okay.
actually all the pods are in that default namespace. Okay.
Okay.
Just I want to show you that you have created a different namespace now. That is nginx one, nginx dash ns.
Yeah.
All are deleted.
Yeah, I'm doing one. Eh? Okay, I'm giving replica sets.
Yeah, you have to delete the deployment one. Okay. You do qctl get deployment. You see that part. Sanjay, you have seen na that what Virati is doing. She is trying to delete the pod, but she is unable to do that. Why? Because she using the replicas in the deployment one. Okay, so how many times she will delete the pod, it will recreate again and again.
जा रहे पे
You write na minus f. You write minus f. Breathing.
No, doesn't exist.
Yeah, what happened, breathing? It is not deleting.
No, Ravi.
Yeah, ask chat GPT. You ask. I want to delete my deployment file.
I had to mention the namespace also. No. Okay. Yeah, now it is deleted.
Yeah, Brethi, it is deleted or not?
No, 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 Ravi, it is not deleted.
What is the error? kubectl delete deploy that one.
1 second. Ravi.
Yeah, it is deleted.
Now it is done.
Now you check under that namespace kubectl. You do git ns. Yeah, now you check into that nginx dash nx kubectl get pods. Uh-huh. kubectl get pods minus n space minus n, and you check for the second one cube node lead, or you check that one. Yeah, you check it. Cube node dash lead. Again you go for the next one. Cube system is there now. You go for the cube system one. kubectl get pods minus n cube system cube dash system. Okay, here is the pod, I think. Yeah, etcd cube proxy one, every pod is here only. Now you go for
But
your.
these are the default one.
No, no, not is the default one. This is inside that namespace under cube system. Now you go into your namespace nginx dash, or you go the local path one. You check every pod. Okay, one pod is running inside that.
No, only public and sorry,
Yeah.
in system and local
Now
part it is running.
create one deployment YAML file in that your namespace, that is nginx one. You have the your file now there, deployment file.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're just going to go and check that.
I have given that nginx name. I mean, sorry,
Namespace, yeah.
namespace.
Yeah, okay. Now create it.
Eh, yeah,
Okay, it is running. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Now you can create the namespace with the single command. Okay, like you try with the short form. Birathi, that
CLI method one.
yeah, kubectl create namespace namespace space, give any name. Okay, now you can go for that.
Now shall I change the namespace in the deployment file?
Hello. Yes.
Hello, Ravi. Hello.
He trusted because I told him that I told you that I want both. Very good, Ravi. Yeah.
Hello, Ravi. Sanjay, am I audible?
Yeah, Preeti, you are audible.
A part of this, did Ravi said anything like after creating a customized, I mean, new namespace?
No, I guess that doesn't say anything.
Hmm.
Preeti, do you have a recording of yesterday class?
Yeah, actually, it is not complete one. There are some network issues, so it is not recorded completely.
Okay. Okay, whatever you have recording, I just upload on my drive. I upload.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Did you check? I upload my video also.
yeah, yeah. I have gone through that, and thank you so much for that.
Yeah, yeah, okay, yeah, sure. Just upload whatever the video you have.
Yeah, I'll just
Yesterday
trim.
class.
Yeah. Actually,
Yesterday.
I have done the recording through my phone itself because if I open PowerShell or command prompt, my screen recording in the laptop is not taking. So I have done that through my mobile. I got some messages and other things. I'll just trim that video and I'll just send you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Preeti, can you tell me what are the topic yesterday?
Yeah, actually, we just discussed about Kubernetes itself, like basics of Kubernetes. Like we have gone through. One second, I'll just show you that. Yeah, in this one, in this documentation, we have gone through some concepts like what is meant by pod, and Ravi just guided me like what is the deployment file, how we are going to create. Like we have just taken that deployment file, and we have also created a pod using the YAML script itself. Let me by with the YAML file,
Yeah,
like
well,
pod.yaml file created with that, and also deployment file with that. I mean, instead of pod file, directly we can create the deployment file through which we can directly get the pods itself.
oh,
And
okay.
later he asked about, I mean, he discussed about the network, I mean, networking, like communication between the containers and pods
Okay.
and pods. Like he just gave a brief about that.
Okay.
Yeah, he just said like three types of networking connection, like through pods and pods. I mean, between the pods, the networks are set up, and between through containers and pods, we are using network interface one container network interface CNI. Like we have to give. He said like he used that Calicot like that. That is one of the CNI container network interface.
Okay.
Yeah, and he just said like we just went through this documentation only mostly. Like what we just read what is that in there.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Like this one, the replica sets one, a brief about replica sets, a brief about deployment file, and yeah, pod.yaml file, and a brief about networks. I'll just show you what is a network. Yeah, here. He just gave me one more new what is that vocabulary we can say, like ingress one, and we just discussed about network policies. Just we just went through this documentation. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
I think Ravi is having some network issue.
Yeah, sorry guys, I have one call there. Okay. So
Okay.
where you are, Briti?
Yeah. Actually, if I search for the only for pods, I think it is taking the default namespace, so I'm not getting any kind of pods created showing here.
Okay, now you
So
check.
if I mention the namespace means I'm getting.
We are getting there now. Okay, means
Yeah.
now you understand now. If you have provided any namespace, you have to search along with the namespace only.
Namespace tag.
Okay, whatever the command you are giving. Okay, like deleting, getting. Okay, whatever it
Yeah.
is. So now what you have to do, you have done that part, and you have to create a service for that. Have you created the service YAML file in the same namespace?
No.
Yeah, you create it. You check now, shortcut sort name is there na, kubectl get ns is working or not?
Yeah, it is working.
Kubectl get ns working na? Yeah, it is working.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, this is the thing I have to do for services. And I have to tag that namespace here.
Yeah, you tag it na here only.
Yeah. Okay, there is no service for. I have given the same namespace, or and I mean the previous one, or I have to give the new namespace which I have created with my name.
No, it's okay. Now you change your target port. You give it the same 80 only.
Okay. And the protocol is TCP itself.
Yeah, create it.
Mm. Okay. Yeah. Uh, okay. This name is my service only.
Okay, now you do one thing. You have taken that part now. Okay, cluster IP. Now you do the curl one. You just go into that pod, inside that pod.
Ravi, can you just check whether the command I have given is right or
Yeah,
not?
yeah, put enter.
Unknown file.
Wait. Give dash dash space bash space bash. Yeah, put enter. Pods. Pods you don't write. You remove that pods one. kubectl exec minus it, and then you give that Yeah, put enter.
No.
Okay. You have to give the namespace also, I think. Give the namespace -n before bash dash na. Yeah, give space -n and give the namespace. Yeah, now
Yeah.
you are into that. Now you do curl that part.
Yo, I don't know that.
There written na, that IP is written, I think. Not written.
No, not written. That's why I'm just getting it. I'll exit and I'll do.
Now you do the again, you do the curl second one. You try to second pod also. Okay, exit and let get into that pod. Is this difficult, Brady, or it is easy?
No, no, Ravi. It's
It is easy,
easy.
na? Yeah.
Yeah.
Means if you are doing
Practice means it is
practice, means
easy.
it is easy.
Yeah. Yeah, I got the 3-1.
Okay, you got it, na? Means you
Yeah.
have to means your service is working. Okay. Now you just describe your that pod. Check that your pod.
Oh, every time I have to give the namespace tag.
Yeah, means every time you have to give the namespace. Okay. But if you once you can set your namespace also. Okay, that whatever you are running without your namespace, you can give it.
Okay.
Okay, now you do one thing, go to chat gpt and you try to get the difference between the pod and then replica set and then deployment. Okay, so actually
Okay.
three things are same but having little bit difference. Okay, or you do one thing, difference between replica set and deployment means you can write only the kind one where you are writing the kind,
Yeah.
you can use the replica set only. So there is a slight difference between the replica set and the deployment one. Means in deployment you can get the rolling update. Okay, rolling update means you are getting the, like if you have installed the latest one, Nginx latest one you have installed now there.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you have used the
Latest one.
deployment one, now you, if you want to switch back to your the previous version, you can go to your previous version without downtime. Okay, that is
Yeah.
the deployment one only.
Rollback one.
Yeah, that is the rolling back
Okay.
or rolling update. Okay,
Yeah, it is the latest one only.
yeah, it is the latest one. Okay, now you go to the,
Yeah.
yeah, just replica set, yeah, only here on the table only we can see the difference. Okay, means it manages the port replicas. Okay, means if we have created a pod, okay, whatever the pod, whatever the labels we can give, it will just manage the replicas, means it will
Pods.
make it duplicate. Okay, the pod duplication it will do. Or
Yeah.
deployment, what it does, the higher level manages replica set and pods. Okay, it's a little bit higher level of that one. And here the provides replica set will provides the scaling of pods, but deployment automatically scales the replica set. Okay, means
Yeah.
pod, single pod cannot scale itself. So there needs something, and that is called the replica set, and it makes it the scale up for any pods. Okay, but if you want
Yeah.
the automatically scales, okay, so it comes for the replica set, it used by deployment one. So just to go through the that part also. Okay, and try to get it. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
now you create one replica set kind, that one replica set one, replica dot yaml file.
Okay. I had to with the container name also here.
Yeah, copy it and make one. Control D.
No, actually, because of a network issue, it is not working right. That's why.
Okay, how it making 3 replicas, you know na that part means
Yeah.
you know that replicas after the spec there is a line replicas that is column 3, okay, and there is a next part selector, and it's selecting the match labels, that is app, that is my app means
It is
whatever.
not my app, I think so. It is Nginx one I have to do.
Okay, whatever it is, just I just explaining you that my app
Oh, yeah, okay, okay.
means whatever the my app having that label in any of that app, it will duplicate that app, means it will make that replica of that app only. So which one you giving the labels of that my app, that is
Nginx one.
nginx one, okay. So it will make the my app duplication of 3 replicas, like that it goes, okay. Change it first, or you give it now my app, no, that's okay.
Okay. Should I keep the container name of the same?
Yeah, just come out, create it.
Okay, I'll just rename this one. Yeah.
Namespace, not name. Name is another thing and namespace is another thing, okay.
Okay, I didn't mention the namespace. Okay.
Okay, if you don't want to make mention in there, let it be, just come out.
No problem. I'll just mention instead of
Okay,
mentioning two times. It is yeah. Ravi, I got.
okay. 3 ready. Okay, now you do one thing, in one line you have to change the replicas, okay. So you do one thing, you do qctl scale replicas, yeah. You have to give now that one
Yeah,
name,
I'm giving the replica name.
and you have to give the
Oh,
namespace also.
I have to provide the name for the. I mean, separately or replica set name.
Replica set name only, that is nginx dash rs.
Is that okay, Ravi?
Might be okay, you just put you do one thing, the qctl scale replicas dash nginx rs, okay. Now you do dash 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 replicas equal to 5, you do 5 or 4 or 3, whatever. In the place of scale you write replicas. Yes, yeah,
Yes.
put enter. Okay, you do one thing, qctl scale What name you have given in kind? You have to give that name.
Sorry, Ravi, I was disconnected.
You are not there. When you get disconnected?
Uh, 10 minutes before.
10 minutes. Okay. What name you given in?
Actually, Ravi, we have to, give the replica sets for the deployment or replica itself.
Okay, you try with the deployment.
I didn't.
You
Okay.
just put an erase it, erase that command. Yeah. Now you give ctl.
But in the deployment, I didn't tag that one replica set one, right? Here, I didn't tag the replicas as the replica set name, right?
No, no, you have to give the name of your deployment only in Linux dash deployment. Okay. Deployment slash give your deployment name, that is nginx dash deployment. Nginx dash deployment space, give the name space, space, then
Okay.
dash dash replicas equal to 5. Yeah, put enter. Yeah, now it is scaled. Now you check that.
Ravi, scale means.
Means it is
Uh,
scaling.
Increasing the numbers.
Yeah, increasing the number.
okay, okay.
Means previously it was 3, now it changed to 5.
Yeah.
Okay, you try with that replica one. Okay, how to scale up? You can scale up also, I think, there the pod.
Yeah.
Only one thing you can't do, that is replica with the replicas, is that rolling update. Okay, and what is the rolling update is that, means if you have the 5,
Previous version like that.
like if you have the 5 pod with you in deployment. Okay, if you want to get back to your previous version, then what it will do, it will create new 2 pod, and first it will give that whatever the data it have in the previous pod, it transfer their data to the new pod, then it will delete the 2 pod. Okay, then again it will again go for the process, and once it finish the 5 pod, updating the 5 pod, then only it will delete all the previous pod, whatever the it is there. Sanjay, hello Sanjay, are you there?
Yeah, Ravi. The replicas also got scaled up.
Yeah, means in deployment only, it won't get the means the facility in the replica site is that one, the rolling update, the I told you now right now. Means if you having the 5 pod, okay, and you are just updating your applications. So what it will do, first it will create the two new pod. Okay, two new pod or whatever the we will set in there, that how many pod it will create new one. So it will create two new pod, and first what it will do, it will transfer the two pod data to the two new one. Okay, am I audible to you, Briti?
Yeah, I'm sorry,
Yes,
I'm
sorry.
drinking water.
Okay, Sanjay, have you understood that part, rolling update?
Uh, yeah, but I was disconnected. I missed some points.
Yeah, like if you have five pods, okay, in your left hand side,
Okay,
and you want something new in your app in your right hand side, okay, so
okay,
you don't want to get any downtime in your applications. Okay, you want your app
okay.
always alive there,
Always running.
always
Yeah,
running. So that time what will happen, in right hand side, what it will do, it will create two new pod. Okay, what it will
okay.
create, two new pod, and
Good.
it will transfer only two new pod there. Okay, means whatever the previous data you have na, it will transfer
Yeah,
your two previous data pod there to your the newest pod. And what it will do, it will give the newest one, newest app one, and it will go till process the till end, like the full applications. Means it will transfer first to pod data, then again it will transfer the next two pod data, then again one is left na, then again it will transfer the one pod data to the newest one. Now it will transfer every data to the newest one.
yes, okay.
Okay, and last what happened, it left with the two pod, and that is used by the deployment one for the rolling update. So now it will delete your that two pod. Okay, whatever the data is there.
Can I try that rollout one, rollback one?
Yeah, you can try it. You do one thing, you have one deployment now.
Yeah, I'm actually having five. Yeah, yeah,
you
only one deployment.
you having deployment file, you having the replica sheet one. Okay, so you do one thing, you have to watch also na, you open one
Okay,
screen.
I'll just duplicate
Yeah,
this.
duplicate it, open SSH somewhere.
Is that get pods or get all, Ravi?
Yeah, you do not pods only. Yeah.
I think I have given the right command.
Yeah, put enter. क्या put enter Billy? Put enter.
I have given the data under. Okay, now it is getting. Okay. The left screen is where I'm working, and the right screen is where I'm getting the current. What is that? Immediate updates.
Okay,
The running.
now you do one thing. Go there and
Sorry.
change the deployment one.
In the file you are saying?
Yeah, YAML file only. Or you do one thing. You can do it by changing here the image one. Set image one. You do kubectl. The same command we are doing now for the updation one.
Scaling one.
Yeah, you write that command.
Should I scale down or scale up?
Scale down now. You have latest one. Not replicas.
Okay.
Image dash image equal to
Yeah.
dash image equal to. You have to write any version. Nginx version. Take it from the Docker Hub. Any Nginx previous image version. Search Nginx. Yeah, click on that Nginx one. Yeah, take it that 1.29.1, the last previous version. You copy it now 1.29.1.
I'm unable to copy that one.
Image equal to Nginx. Nginx, and colon
Yeah,
Ngix.
Nginx.
Yeah, add first now you have written a scale, kubectl scale. You have to change there that kubectl set
Image.
set
Oh, wait.
image. Yeah,
Is that okay?
yeah.
Set image.
Or you can set the image at there. Okay. Uh,
No, there is unknown.
set image. You have to give space now. Set space image. Yeah, put into
No, unknown flag.
unknown flag dash. You erase that one dash image.
Is that okay?
You write only Nginx one here. Nginx. You write Nginx equal to 1.27.3.
27.3.
29. Yeah, 29 will be okay. 29.1. Okay. Image equal to not. And Nginx equal to you write only. Yeah, I erase that part. Yeah. Now
Nginx
put
equals to 1.29.1.
yeah put enter.
Error image pull.
Image pull back off.
No, it's an error image pull. Image pullback of is different. Like when we have given any wrong or any unwanted character in the script means we will get that type of error. It is trying to create.
It will give you again. uh, Image is updated now. You check it in image
Image pullback
pullback
off.
of.
Oh my god.
You give the previous one, previous version of Docker, from Docker. 129. Click on tags. Yeah. uh, Now go to there, your QCTL one.
Yeah, still getting the same error.
Okay, you change that. You check that your YAML file.
I have given the image as latest one.
Okay.
So,
Now it is saying image pullback of. What it giving? What message it gave? It is successful now. There.
no,
No, while we applied there, na, it gave, I think, successful message. In left hand side.
here it is successfully done.
Deployment.apps and
Yeah,
Linux deployment
implemented.
image updated.
Image updated. But the version is not correct.
Okay. You write, give any previous Nginx image
It,
version
yeah,
in ChatGPT.
yesterday I have given another one, right? So I think it's 1.42.2 or something else.
1.14.2, na, I think.
Yeah,
You check na, you give right now ChatGPT. Give me some Nginx previous version.
I'm just searching for it. It is the same thing. Nginx 1.29.1.
Okay, you go there. Again, you write that command. You write Nginx equal to Nginx colon that part. Yeah, put
Is
enter.
that okay?
Yeah,
Yeah, it is done now. Completed.
yeah, okay. Now you do the rolling update.
For the deployment only, right?
No, rolling, you have to write rolling one.
Rolling. Okay.
Rolling name, rollout. You write rollout deployment. Kubectl rollout. ROLL.
Oh, sorry.
rollout deployment, then you have to give that.
Undo.
Undo for what? Given a minus n, you copied from the same, from that there.
Okay.
Copied from the minus n. Yeah. Paste it. Put enter.
Unknown command.
kubectl rollout deployment. You go in their official website or chat GPT it. Or you do na kubectl rollout minus h help. kubectl rollout minus h. You just describe your pod once.
Yeah, for that one, I'm trying to do that one. Like for which pod I have to know that.
Any pod na, in every pod you
Yeah,
have nginx one.
yeah. For doing that one only, I just listed the pods.
Okay. kubectl describe pod. You write only pod. Yeah, pod and give the namespace. Give the namespace minus n.
I can give last at last
Yeah,
itself.
yeah, at last only. Check the version of nginx.
Yeah,
Okay, it is updated. Okay. So with the help of the rollout command, you can also give that. You can execute that command. Okay. With the help of rollout one, you try it. Okay. Okay, Briti, you try it. Okay. Sanjay, you also do.
Yeah, okay, Ravi.
Okay. Okay, Briti. Thank you. Sanjay, thank you. Okay.
yeah.
See you tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Ravi.
Thank you, Ravi.
Yeah.